In NC Simul 2025, utilize the optimization module on your complex CNC machines for further reduction in cycle times and regulation of the tool chip loads. Do this for each channel on the machine, whether that's 2, 3, or more, and on multi-spindle, multi-turret, B-axis head machines, and the like. NC Simul identifies the operations performed on each channel, giving the option of a complete optimization or individual selection. It performs a cut analysis showing the maximum chip thickness, chip flow, feed per tooth, and spindle forces for both milling and turning operations. Create universal strategies or differentiate between air cutting and in-material optimizations using NC Simul's automatic calculation or making manual edits from the graphs and tables. Observe the machining time reductions as an overall process, per channel, or even per tool sequence. Compare before and after feed rates and cycle times, as NC Simul shows exactly where the G-code will be automatically rewritten. NC Simul then posts out an updated G-code for each channel, with indication in the comments that the optimization has been performed and retains the original code file in the original process. Within the overall project, it also creates a new simulation process, wherein the optimized G-code is applied to the same machining setup automatically. Open this to run the certification process just as before, knowing that an error-free optimized code is ready to be sent into production, improving tool life and reducing machining time and costs.